today in BBC Colombia we're going to talk about obesity. My name is Ana Maria Rojas.
And I am Lucia Robles.
Obesity is an abnormal accumulation of body fat. It is measured by body mass index, BMI, which is a simple index of weight for height.
The difference between obesity and overweight is that overweight is having more fat than the healthy average. This means having a BMI between 25 and 30, while being obese is a medical condition which excess body fat has accumulated and this affects the health, and its BMI is 30 or over.
Some causes of being obese are lack of energy balance. For gaining weight, the energy in is more than the energy out. Also, inactive lifestyle. This means you don't do sports or exercise minimum 2 days a week. Also, the environment is important because if near your house there is not sidewalks or gym, you don't do exercise and this is bad for your body. Also, if you don't have access to healthy food and the only thing you can buy is fried food. The portion you eat of food also affects. You need to have a balanced diet, eating all your nutrients. And genes and family history, because if your dad and mom are obese, most likely you will also be obese.
Some medicines will alter your body, making you gain weight. Hell, if you have a disease that makes you gain weight. Some examples of this are underactive thyroid, hormone problems, Cushing's syndrome, among others. Some people, when they're bored, angry, or sad, they eat to take it over. Lack of sleep, and after pregnancy, women become obese if they don't do exercise.
As Colombia's economy increases, richer children are becoming unhealthier and heavier due to richest diet and lifestyle without exercise. When a person is obese, it can be discriminated for many jobs, and this causes unemployment in the country. Companies will take the healthiest option so they do their job the best they can. They prefer a healthy person that has less risk of becoming sick and even to die because this will not affect the company.
Your body also gets affected, especially your heart, because it needs to work harder to pump the blood to all of your body. This can also cause type 2 diabetes because it makes more insulin than your body can regulate. Cancers can also be produced with fat, hypertension, strokes, and sleep apnea.
On the other hand, Colombia is the first country in Latin America that launched an online course on the prevention of obesity and overweight. There are also several organizations that help obese people. One of them is called Fun for Fit. It's a fitness center for kids that offers a program of physical exercise and dietary education for wealthy kids in Colombia. It is located in Bogota.
Thanks to science and technology nowadays, we have several ways to control extreme obesity. These are some surgeries that can help you control it: intragastric balloon, laparoscopic adjustable gastric band, and gastric bypass.
Now we will talk to a reporter in the street.
Due to obesity, wider stadiums are being constructed, as well as wider seats to be able to fit more people. Public places like hospitals are constructing bigger toilet seats, beds, and doors to be able to have people be more comfortable. Public transportation is also a bigger problem because people aren't able to eat and are able to walk and sit comfortably. This is making our community change their way of thinking, and we're making scientists realize that 37% of all Colombians are obese. Society is making people lazy by promoting intelligent ways of transportation like new cars, motorcycles, etc., and not promoting eco-friendly vehicles like bicycles that not only help the environment but help you exercise and drive in a healthier way. More fast food restaurants from international companies like McDonald's and Burger King are being built. These fast food restaurants are not only cheap, which brings people get more attracted to them and start buying more of the products, but say a lot of fast food, like fried chicken, fried food, and all types of fried food. Fried food makes your digestive system work not as well as vegetarian and other types of food and makes you get fatter during time. All the oil and grease that comes from fast food accumulates in your veins and arteries and clogs them and can cause heart attacks.
Thanks for watching us and stay tuned for our next news.